To draw a simple, cartoony farmer, start by drawing a half circle to represent the farmer's face. Add a hat on top. Then fill in features like the eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth. Sketch in a simple body for the farmer and add details such as a button-down shirt and bib overalls with a patch on the knee. You can also give your farmer some kind of agricultural tool, such as a pitchfork, rake, or a hoe. When you're done, erase any sketch lines and ink in your drawing if you like. You can also add color to your picture if you want. For example, if your farmer is wearing a straw hat, make it tan or yellow and color the overalls blue. Give the shirt a checkered or plaid pattern to make it look like a flannel.